What's up, champs? Welcome to today's video. My name is Trevin. I'm a full-time seven-figure Amazon seller, and as you guys can see right here in the last year, I'm going to hit apply. I've done just over $1.1 million in sales. When I show people numbers like this, the first and most common question that I get is, well, what products are you selling? How did you find these products? I can't do product research. What are some tips or strategies to find the products? And what I want to do in today's video is break down 15 ways. Yes, I said 15 different ways on how to find products, getting creative, thinking outside the box so you guys can find your next product to sell on Amazon. So if you guys are excited, do me a favor, go down, hit the subscribe button, like the video, drop a comment, and without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, so the first strategy that I want to talk about is right here inside my screen. We're going to go to Pinterest.com, and what you're going to do is you're going to type in something in the search bar. So I typed in cool things to buy. You could type in like Mother's Day gifts. You could type in like stocking stuffers or something, and a bajillion products are going to come up. And so what you're going to do from there is literally just start scrolling, see what catches your attention. So for example, this USA ice cube tray really caught my attention. And I'm like, that's kind of interesting. An ice cube tray that's shaped in the US. Maybe I could add a twist on that, or maybe I do a different shape or something different, or maybe there's demand on Amazon for that. So what I'm going to do is then I'm going to take that idea, go search on Amazon, see if the demand's there, see what the competition is like, and break down all the things to actually then verify the product. So this is going to help you get some ideas, and Pinterest is an awesome way. So I mean, you can type in things. You can also come to like the home page and just start scrolling. I mean, there's a million different products on Pinterest, and what's cool is sometimes you can find products on Pinterest that aren't on Amazon. So if you can do that and you can fill the demand on Amazon, you could really crush it and do really well. So that is the first strategy. The next thing is we're gonna come over here to Alibaba.com. And this is something that not a lot of people do, and it's kind of looked over. And you're just gonna go to Alibaba, and there's 5 million different things that you can click to go down a different rabbit hole to find a different product. So I mean, you come here, my market's Super September. So I mean, you could click on all these different categories. Say you wanna sell something in home and gardens. So click on this, there's an entire list of products, and you can go scroll through and see what catches your eye, and then you can go verify it on Amazon. You can come right here, office supplies, source now. You can come right here, stock up for Black Friday. So these are obviously products that are moving quickly. Right here, new arrivals. I really like looking at this because this is something that is new. It's trending right now. You click on that, a million products to scroll through. Social media seller. These are products that are selling well on social media. So why not sell them on Amazon? Right here, ready to ship products, top ranking products. So you click on this and you just find a ton of products. So the thing that you guys need to understand with product research is, yes, it's going to take some time. If you guys are coming into Amazon thinking that it's just going to take 2 minutes to find a product that's gonna make you thousands of dollars per month, then don't even try Amazon, okay? I'm gonna be very blunt with you. It takes some time. And yeah, this may be tedious, but enjoy the process. So that's just kind of some tips that I have with you for you guys. But Pinterest, Alibaba is a great way. So another and the third way is what you can do is you can actually start reaching out to these suppliers. So say you're interested in saying this basket for lemons or bread or whatever the case is. I don't know what that product is. You reach out to that supplier, say, hey, I'm interested in this. And you just kind of pretend like you want that product. And then what you can do is as you're talking, you can say, hey, what other products have potential? What are other trending products that you currently have for sale? And they'll give you basically a list of different products that they have that they recommend. And a lot of times the suppliers know a lot more info than we do because obviously they have a ton of people ordering from them. And so if they see a lot of people start ordering one particular product, they can share that information with you, and then you can use that product and go launch it on Amazon. So that's another great way, is just reaching out to suppliers, whether they're your current suppliers. And that's what I do all the time. I ask my suppliers, hey, are there any new products? And I've actually launched like 2 or 3 products from my suppliers, them giving me the idea, and it's turned out amazing. So that's another great way is ask your suppliers, hey, what's trending? And they'll give you a list of different products. And then if you don't have a bunch of suppliers, like I said, you could just go start reaching out to a bunch of random ones. And then as you guys start talking with them, you can then say, hey, what's some trending products? So that's the third way, is just asking your suppliers. The next way is helium-10 black box. So this is cool because, I mean, this is one of the easiest ways to do product research, and it's probably the most common way that people do product research, and it's because it's easy. And so what I like doing is I like doing things that are a little bit more difficult, because the harder it is for you to find a product, the harder it is for someone else to find that product, and there's not going to be as much competition. So that's kind of my personal preference, but this is still a great way. And what's cool is it comes with helium-10. So if you have the suite of tools, which you absolutely need, if you guys don't have it, you can go to the link down below. I'll provide it, and you guys can get 50% off for the first month using helium-10. So you'll have all the software tools that you need. And if you come right here, you have like 5 million. So you have product research tools, you have keyword research tools, you have the Chrome extension to help you verify products. So basically this strategy, it comes with helium-10, so you might as well use it. And basically what you do is you come in, enter different filters, criteria. So a minimum of $2,000 per month. You can do the max price. So the minimum price, I don't want to sell anything less than $10. The review count, I don't want to compete against people that have more than, we'll say 120 reviews, and I'm going to hit search. And then a bunch of different products are going to come up that then I can go research and dive into a little bit more data. So this is a great way. It's super easy to find products using this way. But again, sometimes the easier it is, the more competition is going to come with finding these products, okay? So not saying that this is a bad way, because I find a lot of products, good products, using this strategy. It's just sometimes going to like Pinterest and taking the time to scroll, or going to Alibaba and reaching out to suppliers and scrolling through all those, sometimes that can be worth your time. So don't get down if it's taking you some time to find a product. That's normal. It takes some time. So that is the fourth way, black box. The next way that I want to talk about is similar to Alibaba. Amazon has a great way where you can literally go to their platform. You could go to today's deals and find a million different products. So like, for example, this plant holder, this hanging plant holder looks interesting. I could continue to scroll down, and this stand for like your iPod, it looks really nice. We have the hand grips. So I mean, right here, what's this one? I'm not even sure, a school mini waffle maker. So I mean, there's just a ton of random products that you can, again, just continue to scroll and see what catches your attention, then go research it and verify it. So that's the fifth thing, is using Amazon, using the today's deals. You can also just go to Amazon, their main page, and right here, so prep for college for less. So college shipping guide. So maybe there's a product that is perfect for people that are going to college, related items that you viewed. So I've clicked on some of these products, and they're related to what I viewed. Recommended products. So I mean, there's tons of options right here that you can go and look at. So that's the fifth thing. The next way, the sixth way, is going to Wish and literally creating an account, and it's the same thing. Scroll through, and there's tons of ideas. It's like these little clips for bags. You have some nice clothes, shoes. Obviously you don't want to sell a knife, but you just continue to scroll. Like, this is a tool that I've never seen. I used to work in the construction industry, and I've honestly never seen a tool like this. So maybe this is a new trending tool that you could go sell on Amazon. So that's kind of what you do, is you just kind of scroll, and if you see something that's kind of cool that you haven't seen before, that's what you want to go and research a little bit more. So that's what Wish is going to do for you. The next way, so this is like the seventh way, you can go to Groupon, you can go to categories, you go to goods, and you can search all these different types of categories. So maybe we want to sell products for the home. So I click on that, and boom, another million products have come up. So LED solar hummingbird wind chimes, waterproof wind chimes. So like, maybe that's something that I could go sell. I mean, again, there's a million different products. It's just going to take some time to go and find some, and then go and then verify them on Amazon. And I've said that a lot of times, verify them on Amazon. If you guys are kind of confused about that, go to my YouTube channel. and go to this product research playlist, and you can click on this, and it has basically step-by-step how I'm verifying all my products to ensure yourself that there's demand, there's low competition, the keyword research, the demand of the keywords is good, there's not too many competing products, and then also there's other things that you need to avoid, like gated categories, restricted products, patented products. All of that will be inside this playlist. And then also, if you guys want more help, then I do have a full A to Z course that basically takes you through the entire process. And then that course includes product verification. So when you find a product, I will then go and verify it. So if you guys want some extra help, I have the YouTube playlist, and then also amzchampions.com, my course with my mentorship. So you guys can check that out to feel a little bit more confident in the products that you're ordering. Because obviously you're spending money to order these products. You want to spend that money well. So that's kind of my goal with my YouTube channel, my course, is to save you guys thousands of dollars in mistakes. So Groupon is another great way. The next way, which is also another platform where you just kind of go and scroll, and you're probably thinking, well, this is obvious, and the reality is it's not, because not a lot of people do this. Not a lot of people take the time to actually go through these platforms and find products, okay? Because there are so many. I've done it before. I find products on the daily. As you guys know, I have a product list that I share with people, and I find products all the time using these different strategies. So it works. I promise you, my Amazon business has grown because of my product research. And so you guys just need to kind of understand what to look for and what to avoid. So again, Etsy, you can go everyday finds. There's 5 million different things, and it's the same as Pinterest. A lot of times there's products on Etsy that aren't on Amazon. So if you can fill that void, that's going to be super beneficial. So that's the next way. Another way is Amazon Handmade. So you guys can actually go to Amazon Handmade and find a bunch of products right here. So I mean, toys and games, jewelry, home decor, kitchen and dining, beauty and grooming. So again, there's a ton of options right there inside Amazon Handmade. The next one, what you're going to do is you're actually going to find a seller that's doing well, or maybe a seller that isn't, that's selling well, but their listing kind of sucks. And that's what this example is. So this seller, I don't even know how to pronounce it. They're out of China, and you guys can see that right there. But what you're going to do is you're going to click on their seller, their storefront, and then you're going to go to products. And then right here, you'll see all the products that they're selling, and maybe get some potential ideas from them. So as you guys can see, this ornament with toilet paper and hand sanitizer, it's super clever. Obviously they have bad reviews. Things like this, where this germ tool is a horrible picture. Maybe you guys can improve on that. I wouldn't recommend selling these germ tools. They're kind of getting saturated right now. And you can scroll through and see what this seller is selling and basically learn from them. And as you guys can see, they have really bad reviews. So if they're selling well, why not try to improve that product and get ideas from them, and then go out and sell a similar product? So you guys can literally, this seller has 70 pages of products. I mean, they have, look at how many different brands. You can go look at this and find different product ideas from this particular seller. So, I mean, I could scroll through for days and find a potential product like this. I don't even know, a diamond sharpener, knife sharpener tool. And I can continue to scroll for a long time and find product ideas. So that's another way, is going to sellers that you're competing against, or you can just go search random sellers. And I'll show you, you can come right here and you just click on any product, and then you click on this product. And once you click on the product, you go to sold by, and then you go to their storefront, and then you go to products right here. And right there, you have a list of products that you could potentially start selling and get ideas from them. So that's another great way. The next way that I want to talk about is actually on Amazon as well. You can go and you just start typing in the search bar. I know I've talked about this in past videos, but I type in wood, and then I type in a letter. So N, wood nails, wood nightstand, wood name sign, wood nail sticks. Maybe this is something that catches my eye, these nail sticks. And then from there, I can go in and use the Chrome extension to verify my product. And if you guys don't have the Chrome extension, then you need to go to Helium 10 and get it, because this is actually going to help you basically know, okay, what's the demand of the product? What's the competition like? What's the search volume? So the search volume is 424. So that's not a ton of search, but maybe there's other keywords that could work. So that's what this tool is going to do for you, is it's going to help you basically validate the product ideas. So I'm not sure what number we're on right now. I think I've given you like 10 different ways or 12, I don't know. But a few other ways is just change your mindset when you're out and about. So you're out at the grocery store or you're driving along the freeway and you see all these billboards, you see different products. Think as an Amazon seller, when you see something that's different, maybe jot down a note and say, hey, I'm gonna go look up that product and see if it has potential. So just simply changing your mindset and thinking as an Amazon seller and always looking for opportunities to maybe find products, that can really help you down the road. Another way is to actually go on maybe your parents' Amazon account, your girlfriend's, maybe you have your own Amazon account, and just go to recently ordered and look at all the products that you've ordered on Amazon. And more than likely, you've probably ordered a private label product that you could start selling on Amazon. So that's another great way, is looking at your order history. Another way is as you're scrolling on social media, you get blasted with ads. There's so many different ads. And whether it's dropshipping ads or maybe it's an actual legitimate brand that's coming out with a new product, when you're scrolling and you see something that catches your attention, click on the ad, look at the product, and then go look at it on Amazon, because that's what happens. A lot of people are doing dropshipping and they have this cool product, but then they show ads, and the first thing that the person that sees the ad does is go to Amazon to see if they can find it for cheaper, because they know it's more reliable and they know that they can get it in 2 days. So if you guys can fill holes for that, there's a new trending product that you're seeing a bunch of ads of, try to sell it on Amazon, and that's going to help you out a lot. And the last way that I want to talk about is just going to like Bed Bath & Beyond and literally just walking through the store and seeing what catches your eye. I mean, you go to, if you've watched Shark Tank, a lot of the Shark Tank products are on Bed Bath & Beyond. And so that's something that you can do, is just walk around the store and get ideas. So there's a bajillion different ways to find products. You just have to kind of get creative. And this video was just to show you how there's so many different ways to go about product research. There's no right, there's no wrong. There's a million different ways. It's just taking the time to actually do it. And that's what a lot of people aren't willing to do. They just want to come in, they want to make as much money as quick as possible with as little effort as possible. That's not going to work. You're going to have to outwork your competition, and it's going to take some time. So I hope that this motivates you to go out and do product research. I promise it's going to pay off. I'm thinking myself, it's almost been 3 years since I started my Amazon business, my Amazon journey. And if it wasn't for the hustle and the no quit attitude that I had, I wouldn't be where I'm at currently. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more content coming your way. Again, if you guys have questions about verifying products or you need more help, the playlist on YouTube, and then also my full course, my mentorship program, amzchampions.com. I'd love to have you in as a student, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside.